Bam! Pickle projects. Pickle projects! Y'all, check it out. So, I finished drywalling the laundry room. So all we gotta do is paint because it's all sanded and smooth. And it looks like I've got some gray hairs. I probably do. But we're excited. Also, I put some foam around the bottom to fill up the space that was there. For some reason, there was like a gap between the wall and the floor. I've never seen that before. Anyway, I got some of that spray foam and I got it all over my hands. So I repeat, don't use that spray foam stuff without gloves. It says not to do it without gloves, but I was impatient because I did it the other day as a test run and the hose got clogged. So I wasn't needing gloves at the time, but I pulled off the hose and just used my finger, so it worked. But now I've got crap all over my hands. It's not sticky anymore because alcohol kind of works if you're bold. But now it just looks like I have leprosy. Anyway, Pickle projects!